Hello, lovely ones. My heart is beating, wants to speak to all of you. Things that are happening into our life. Special moments, but a lot of processes. So I'm now at my space that I made here. Setting my aura in here. And it's the first time that I'm speaking here, but I feel good. There are wonderful things happening into my life that it's matching with the things that I'm asking for, but I'm now at a frequency that I'm attracting it. So it goes like the mind is thinking that it goes very fast, but this is the thing that I'm asking for, so I need to be grateful and thankful that it is coming. And then there is a mind that wants to put you in another frequency because it's not used to being in here and seeing things happening that the mind is not used to, so need to accept it. So I'm now meditating a bit more to be in my own aura. It feels very upheavaled, but that's good. That there is a feeling inside of me that really loves this, but I need to believe in myself. I need to have trust for this, so you all will know what the coming steps will be. So the experience for now that we had yesterday, something with the van, but that's okay. We were very lucky, so this was an experience for all of us to let us see how good we are in the state that we are in now. So there was something happening, there was a situation, and in the beginning it's like, oh no, what is this again, why? And there goes mind. But that's okay, just breathe in. For me, it's good to be quiet and go to my inner and just observe, seeing what's happening, and don't do that much too soon. So just let the universe do the thing through you. And in every way, it's always different. So there was a situation, and we were looking for a solution. I believe the solution always is coming. And the van wouldn't start for the moment, in that moment. And then for me it was like, okay, now I'm going to my inner, so this is happening now, but why and how we are reacting? Is it better than before, or can we do it even better than before? Because I don't like to do things that I did before. I just want to change some things that I always did to grow and to be better than I already am. And that took some breath work, and that took some mind changes. So we did some actions. We were going for a walk to get something that maybe that could help. So we just did that. It was a bit walking, but that was good for us. So while we were walking it off. Aliana was I'm very proud of Aliana too. She was very strong. She said that it was a big adventure, so that was making me happy. Adventures are always good. And we had this thing. We were walking back, and in the sky there was a rainbow, a really beautiful piece of the rainbow. And then I felt so much love and so much gratefulness, and I was thanking a lot because it was sunny. It was a bit wind, but it was sunny because I had an umbrella with me because the weather was not so good. But through the whole walking, we had such beautiful weather. So we saw the rainbow, all happy. I was thinking then, like, wow, this is amazing, all these colors. And there was some gratefulness and blissfulness coming up into me, and that gave me again belief. So we were walking a bit further, and there was a second rainbow, beautiful big rainbow now. So again, my belief was high. I know that there is always a solution coming in another way. And we were almost there, and there was somebody that was stepping in his car and asking us if we want to have a ride. But we were almost there, so we were like, okay, universe, thank you for this. But for now, we are like, so this is trust, this is letting go. And so we were going to the van again, do the thing that we thought it maybe could be, so that it wasn't, but that was okay. So we know then that that was not the thing why the van was not starting. And then we just tried again and put the keys in and tried to start, and the van was starting again. So we were so lucky. I felt so lucky. I always say I am lucky, but this was so lucky because we had nice weather. If we were in the van, it was raining again. And that gives so much joy inside of me. From, yeah, thank you, universe, that you are always doing the right thing for us. And so this little drive back through where we are now, we were lucky that the van was driving again, because there is something with the van. We will see what solution that we can have, but we are now again at the place. So we have all our stuff here, and we were just so lucky. So this, what I want to say with this experience, you can choose how you behave. So you can go angry, you can go stressful, you can go whatever that's not positive. But I know I do not prefer this. I did that before, but for now it's not helping me. The mind was thinking a lot of things. I really needed to shush my mind, because it is a brain pattern that there is in there that you need to change. And situations like this, and situations that you are not, that you don't like that much, you can challenge yourself to take this situation to help you grow further. And this is what's happening with me. So I'm very glad that I did it in another way, because my gratefulness, my thankfulness, everything was so high, because I know that there was a solution, and I know that everything is always good, and I believe in that. And then the rainbows, and you are just carrying by the universe, and I felt so lucky. I really felt so lucky. So this was something I really want to share. So do the same in your life. If you have a situation that you don't like, it's always for a reason that you have this. So it's up to you to change the things that you are used to and do it in a different way, and you will see that you will get so much more trust. I now learned too that I even need to be more lovingful and more grateful for the things that are going good, and not looking for things that are not good, because now in the things that are coming into my life, it's totally different that I did before. But this is the thing I want, and this is the thing the universe wants you to do. And if the universe wants that you are doing this, then it will help you in taking these steps, and it will come to you and you need to grab it then. So these things will become magical for me. Let me see if I want to say more about that. It's just so important. Breathe and believe in yourself, and let everything just always be okay. Whatever situation you are, whatever is happening, just be calm, because this will help you so much more. And focus on the good things in your life. That was a thing I understand even more better now, because sometimes things are always so good, and if there is a situation that is not so good, you focus on that and you think that it's always like that, but that isn't. If you have good situations, be grateful every day, please be grateful, because this will help you so much more in your life. So for now, I'm going to my inner again. I will do Leon. You can do some lessons that I am making now. I'm now at lesson 8 that I will do today. So if you want to learn this beautiful JONG yoga, healing in the inner and in the outer for yourself, do this. Give me some comments if you find that I am explaining it good, because it is new for me, and then I will see how I can grow more, because you are helping me, we are all helping each other. So for now, thank you for watching, and give me some love by clicking on the thumbs up, the likes, and share my videos, subscribe on my channel, and have a lot of love for everyone, because love will heal the world and is healing the world. Thank you. Bye.